Hi loves, and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to be taking you through my wash day in 2018 using Nigerian brands. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click the subscribe button and also don't forget to click the bell so you get notified of new videos. So let's get into it. Prepare my DIY deep conditioner first, and I'll be using avocado pear for this. So I'm going to cut it open and then scoop the fleshy part out into my blending cup. Some of it was quite bad, so I actually just got rid of them and scooped the good part of the avocado pear. So once I'm done, I'm just going to cover and blend. But I did not realize that, well, I did not put water in the first time. So after like breaking it down a little bit, I actually put water in the blending cup so that at the end of the day I get like a smooth paste. So I'm going to add a little water now, and then I'm going to blend. Actually, depending on the thickness that you want, or the yeah, you can actually add more water depending on what consistency you like to achieve. So I added more water to get a slurry that is not too liquidy. So yeah, this is how it looks. I'm now going to scoop it into my bowl. Yeah, very smooth. I'm going to scoop it into my bowl. And I'm just feeling to see if there are any lumps, of which I did not have any at all. So this is what I have. I'm going to now get my AFROBYNATURE 2-in-1 banana milk conditioner, and I'm going to press some of that into my bowl. So I'm mixing it with this just for some added benefits, and I'm going to mix. Yeah, so this is how it looks at the end of the day. I add tea tree and lavender oil. So you can add any other oils of your choice to the mix, that is up to you. And then I mix again. So I'm going to transfer that into my bottle, the bottle I'll be using to apply this to my hair, because it is not thick enough to use my hands, so that would probably just waste. So I transfer this into this empty container, and then I'm going to cover it and keep it aside. So now we're going to move to my hair. I have detangled my hair with my okra gel. There is a video tutorial on how I did that. So I'm going to get my AFROBYNATURE moisturizing shampoo. Now this shampoo is so awesome. It's actually a black shampoo, and the lathering capacity of this shampoo is just bomb. Like, I'm not even in the bath. I don't even have to wash my hair in the bathroom. I'm actually washing my hair in front of the camera, and that's how good it is. Just a little drop and little massaging, and I'm getting this lather from it. So this is quite good. This is quite really good. So I'm going to get my scalp massager and massage my scalp to stimulate blood flow to my scalp. And also, using this scalp massager helps me to, you know, get grime and dirt off from my scalp. I'm not saying my hands alone cannot do that, so but this is just an added thing. This is just a plus for me. So, and I got this off from Jumia. So once I'm done massaging my hair, then it is time to rinse the shampoo out. And I don't actually apply shampoo to the rest of my strands, because rinsing it out would actually, you know, run down through the length of my hair. So I just apply shampoo only to my scalp, because that's the part that actually needs washing. So I'm done rinsing my hair. You can see how clean my hair looks. So now I'm going to apply the deep conditioner that I made in the early part of this video. So you can apply it directly to your scalp, but I realized that that did not work for me at all. I was quite slow in applying it to my hair. So what I did was apply it to my palm, rub it against each other, and then apply it to my hair. And I continued that way till I was done applying the deep conditioner. So that's just it. So once I'm done with each section, I twist it back and then continue with the rest of the other sections. So I'm all done applying the deep conditioner. I'm going to get a plastic bag and leave it on my hair for 30 to 45 minutes. If you have a steam cap, there was actually no light, so PHN, they've done their thing. So I actually used a plastic bag instead of my thermal portable steam cap, which actually reduce time for me. So after 30 to 45 minutes I've rinsed out my hair. So I have this microfiber towel from KINKS. So I use it to dab the excess water that is dripping out, and then I'm going to take the AFROBYNATURE, I think that's, yeah, the scalp and edges regrowth oil. I'm going to apply it to my scalp. I'm going to massage it in. This is actually very minty, so you do not want to put too much, if not your eyes could get teary. So you just apply a little and then massage it into my scalp, of course, to also stimulate blood flow. Now I'm going to be using the leave-in conditioning mist on my hair. Some of my other leave-in conditioners, I've exhausted them, so I'm going to be spraying this on my hair. So you just need to spray a little and not too much, because the spray at the nozzle is actually wide enough. Then I take my oil mix and apply it to the whole length of my hair. I'm actually using the liquid oil cream, and my cream is AFROBYNATURE all butter hair butter, and it's actually very nice. You just need a little amount because it dissolves right into your palm. You don't need too much, if not your hair will just be all oily or weak. And that's how I moisturize my hair if I'm using the leave-in spray. But if I'm using a thicker leave-in conditioner, I only go with the liquid and oil or the liquid and cream method, because my hair is of low porosity. I don't want to be having a product build-up on my hair. So I do that for the rest of my hair, and I twist my hair all up. On my edges, I apply a little more shea butter because, well, the ends of my hair are actually the weakest, and I have to seal in moisture properly at that place. So that's basically it, guys. That's my wash day routine for 2018. So thank you for watching, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye.